Guys, welcome back to a very quick video. This is the Ford Transit Connect. What we're doing today, we're trying to fix our cigarette lighter. I've got a phone charger, I've put it into the cigarette lighter. These vans have actually got two. Neither of them are working, so very bizarre, very bizarre. So hopefully a quick fix. What we're going to do, I've got my multimeter and I've just done some readings to see if we're getting any 12 volts to these cigarette lighter plug areas. Haven't got any readings yet. Make sure if you're going to do this, switch your ignition on, because that should feed the live voltage down to these plugs. Don't know if you want to see me do that, but I mean, let's just skip that and just go straight to the fuse, because 9 times out of 10 on these cigarette lighters, the fuses go, so it's very common. So number one, we're going to locate the fuse box. So the interior fuse boxes on these vans is actually in or behind the glove box. So let's just flick you around. So as you can see, I've dropped the glove box already. It's super easy to do this. You see that little bit there, that obviously is in there, and same with the other side, right? So that's your glove box. Oh, so your glove box is like this, right? Open it up with your thumb. You can push this like that, and then the other one, you just literally go, oh, there you go. So it's literally push that way, and get the little lugs obviously further than that, and it should just pop out, and there you go, it's on the floor, happy days. So anyway, this is your fuse box. Sometimes they've got a nice little sticker up here that tells you all the fuses. This one doesn't, so we need to, right, I think I've seen what the problem is. I've located the fuse, right? It's supposed to be a 20 amp fuse. There's a 15, someone's put a 15 in there, and it's burnt out. So let's just flip you around, show you which one it is. I think it is, pretty sure it is, but at this stage, I'm just gonna show you which one I'm talking about. So, if you start at the bottom of the panel on the left, fuse box, if you count one, the bottom one, obviously the start one, 1, 2, 3, see this where this 10 is, that's 3, 1, 2, 3, can you kind of see that? And then you go 3 across, so 1, 2, 3, that one there should be the cigarette lighter one. So someone's put a 15 in there. See that? Let's have a look in the light. Can you see? Focus. Anyway, you can probably just about tell. You see that's kind of broken and burnt and snapped inside. There's like a bit of wire that should be connected together. So that's completely, that's done in, that one. That's a better, see it? Anyway, that's done. Let's get another one. Let's put a 20, let's get one of these other 20 volt, 20 fuses, 20 amp fuses, pop it in over there, in that bit there. So I'm going to take that one, put it there. Actually, no, yeah, no, I'm going to pop that one over there. And let's see if we get any current going to our cigarette lighters. She's in, you see that yellow one, that one there. Just borrowed that from somewhere else. And now we're going to turn the ignition on. Let's try and plug in the car charger. Oh, hello. See that? It's gone blue. Let's plug it into my phone. Sorry, guys. Hello. Yes, it says it's charging. You can't see that on my screen on my phone, but we're charging. We're good. So we've got ourselves some charge. Cool. So that's that fixed. Just gonna pull it out and put it in the other one, see if that's resolved that one as well. No. Okay, so that one's a different fuse. It's probably the one above it, to be honest with you. You know that other 15? That blue one, I reckon it might be that. I'm gonna pull that out and have a little look. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna stop the video there because this is just now down to personal preference, how far I go with this. Hopefully that's shown you where to find your cigarette lighter amp. And yeah, get your car charger up and running within a couple of minutes, hopefully. But yeah, you can get these, I'll link below where you can get these amps. You want a 20 amp one for that one, to be honest with you, or else it'll blow again. And yeah, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, follow the channel. I'm doing loads more how-to videos on the Ford Transit Connect Mark 1. So yeah, hopefully lots of information coming your way. Stick around, guys. Thanks for tuning in.